Hello boys and girls, today is August 12th, 2020, and this is an unbox video. Here's the other phone, just showing you the date. Okay, I'm using a Canon R50 because I have a Canon, what is this, a Vixia HF-M41, which I've been using for years, and it works. And a friend of mine who's over there, say hi.
Hi.
Very good. He likes this, so we bought this, and so now I'm going to open this in a video. Okay. Bought this from Zaudio, Z-A-W-D-I-O. All right. So here we go. Just going to open that, and this is a fully featured, I can't remember, I should have looked at the listing, but just so many things showed on time. As you notice, it's got a little dent in the box there, so hopefully it's alright. Okay, so here it is. Just want to show this in camera because there went something. Okay, great, so there's that. There's this, well packaged. Okay, so this, that. So here's this, great. So it's got velvet wrapping all around it. Okay. Alright, so can you give me that paper without stepping in front of the camera? What is that? Oh, you gotta read it, man. It's a thank you for your purchase from Zaudio, right? Here, you read it.
Yeah.
Here, take it. Take it, read it, it's going to be yours, right? So, now. So, wow. Look at this. Mine didn't come with this very nice camera case. It's a very nice camera case. Let's just get up close and open it up. How does it open? It's not Velcro, it's zippered. Oh, I didn't know that. So here, let's zipper it open. What's inside? We've got a very recognizable power supply. Okay. Put that down here. We have more bubble wrap inside, very nice. Okay, so here's the main camera. Put that down. What else is in here? We've got the, well, that's a bigger strap than what it came with mine, but that's like a, I don't know, maybe like a shoulder strap. I don't even know if mine has one. And then here's the remote control from the listing. Okay, there it is. I'm not going to hit that button. What else? And there might be something in here. Let's see, in the front pocket, there is a, so here's a funny looking tripod mount. Not seen one before like this, but okay. That was in the listing, so I guess, okay, that's just, I think that's it. Hopefully the battery's in the camera. So let's see, is the battery in the camera? Okay, here's the camera. Alright, there's the camera. And yeah, the battery is in the camera. Okay, and it's a actual Canon battery. It's a BP808. Great. So now it's got all your things on it, just like it showed in the listing. So let's turn it on. It's got battery power. Will it turn on? It did turn on. It's got 32 minutes left on the battery, August 12, 2020. Great. Okay, so we can't shoot anything because, well, we're going to close that, turn it off, right? I'm going to go to my camera because I have one, right? So Here's mine. I'm going to get out, well, wait, where'd that other camera go? Here. This one. Give me this, because this uses the same thing. So this is a Canon SX160, and I'm going to get this here, and I'm going to open this up. There's no memory in the memory slot, so I'm going to put this in A. Okay, so here's a 4 gig going into A. I'm going to turn this on, go here, okay. Go here, rotate that around. I'm going to go to function. Am I showing it up in the camera? All right, so function, menu, here, let's see here, well, maybe it's here. Recording media, here we go. Wait. Record media for movies. I'm going to tell it to go to A, and then, okay, we're not going to do relay recording, we're just going to do that. So we can get out of here and go, so now it's showing up X or A. Great, so now I'm going to turn it, so you can give it back to, see, display. Oh, I haven't done this in a while. Display, here it is. There we go. So we have 30 minutes left at FX2. So I'm going to shoot a little video of me shooting a video, right? So, let's see here. So let me have, what? I'm not pointing at you. Just going to get my, where'd it go? Where'd my, I'm not shooting. Where'd my cell phone go? I had 2 of them. What did I do with them? Do you see them? There's the green one. Where's the other 2 at? Just had them. What did I do with them? Oh, okay. Here they are. Okay, here's one. Here they are. Great. So, okay. So, it's now what? 5:38. Hit start record. It's 5:38. Right. So, 5:38. And I'm just saying that 5:38, and you're seeing, hopefully I can see myself. Yeah, so I'm shooting like that. Okay, so we'll do that. And we'll just, are we having fun yet? So now we're going to hit stop. All right, so hit stop. All right, hit stop. There we go. It stopped. We're going to go back and review, which is this button here, like that. I'm going to flip this around. We're going to hit play. Actually, just come on, play. And there it plays. No sound because I didn't turn the sound on. So it all works. So I just wanted to show you that made a good purchase. And like that. Didn't check out the battery supply or the remote controls. Too many things to check out, but I just wanted to. Yep, there. That was it. Okay, so thanks for letting us purchase this. It's a good camera. I know it is. He'll enjoy it when he gets his hands on it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. He's gotta go. We all gotta go. Bye bye. All right. Thanks for watching. Good day.